in the first 5 years of being an entrepreneur, na-achieve ko yung material success, financial gains, recognition. Pero sabi ko, ba't ganon? Bakit after a few more years pa, no, sabi ko, with everything I have, lahat ng dream car, dream house, etc., meron ako. Pero bakit napadpad pa din ako sa depression and anxiety? Bakit hindi pa rin ako masaya?
May kulang pa rin.
May kulang pa rin. So, I was looking for an answer na sabi ko, gusto ko, pwede to kahit kanino, regardless of income, regardless of background, nationality, something that applies to everyone. And yun yung nahanap ko, mental fitness. Na sabi ko, grabe no, I became successful because of, anong tawag niyan? Fear, because of a sense of lack. There was something wrong with me that I needed to fix through success and money.
So yung feeling mo, yun yung pantapal sa lahat.
Oo, pero hindi pa rin. So, nung makita ko yung mental fitness, sabi ko, pwede pala, no, na maging masaya at successful at the same time.